Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Windows 10 or 11, admin rights, internet, and your license key. Once done, temporarily close competing antivirus to avoid install conflicts. Next, download the official Net Protector Total Security installer from your provider and save it to downloads. Run the installer as administrator. When prompted, enter the license key and accept the user agreement. Make sure to keep default protection modules selected, real-time, firewall, and web protection, so you don't miss core defenses during the initial setup. You'll see choices for standard versus custom installation. Pick standard unless you need specific paths. Once files install, the first run wizard appears. Enable real-time shield, firewall, web, and email protection. Then configure update frequency. Set automatic updates and define a daily check time when your PC is on but idle. You should also schedule a full system scan at a low activity hour and let the product download the latest threat database before scanning. This ensures immediate. You finish by running a full system scan and reviewing results. Clean or quarantine any detections. Make sure the firewall rules match your network type, home or public, and confirm the browser extension for web protection is enabled. Once everything looks good, reboot to complete driver and firewall activation. If activation fails or updates stall, check your system date and time first, then re-enter the license key and restart the update service. Often that resolves signature download and activation hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.